Hi folks, Scott Kelby here, and this is your Photo Tip Friday. So we're gonna do a little retouch on our groom. He's got kind of a 3-day growth here. We're gonna get rid of that stubble the fast way. How do you do it? In Photoshop, you grab the clone stamp tool and you do two things. Set your opacity down to around 40%, but then you go over here to the mode, and this is what the trick is, switch your blend mode to lighten. Because what that does is it tells Photoshop only affect pixels that are darker than where I click. So if I option click on Mac or alt click on Windows right up here, and then I paint, now it only affects the stubble and leaves the rest of his beard alone, or the rest of his skin, should I say. And there you go, that's just a quick look at it, but I'll give you a little before and after. There it is, there it is. Do another pass or two. He's cleaned up and ready for the wedding. If you like these tips, go check out my brand new class over at KelbyOne.com.